The app features an intuitive listing of all alarms and the ability to preview cameras associated with an alarm. This module overviews how to quickly view and respond to alarms to stop security incidents before they escalate. Note that the app's UI is similar across devices, but there are minor differences between Android and iOS devices. Menus and buttons may look different across different devices. This training overviews the UI for iOS devices. After completing this lesson, you'll be able to identify how to view alerts. The home page displays the Alerts tab by default. The Alerts tab displays a list of all the active alarms configured in the Avigilon Control Center system. If there are no active alerts, the page is empty. Alerts are sorted by status, priority, and the most recent trigger time. Below the name of the alert is the date and time of the last trigger and the current status of the alert. Pull down on the screen to refresh it and see the latest alert status. Each thumbnail image is from a camera linked to the alert. Swipe left to see all the cameras that are available. Tap anywhere on the alert to see details about it. In this demonstration, we will look at this alert. The page loads. This page gives details about the alert and allows you to perform certain actions. To see previous instances of the alert, swipe right. The app maintains the last 10 instances of the alert. Swipe left and right to move between alert instances. The alert status is displayed here. You can change the alert status by tapping here to assign the alert to yourself. This lets other users know that you're investigating the event. Tap the icon again to unassign the alert. You can also change the alert status by tapping here to acknowledge it. This lets other users know that you reviewed the alert and it is no longer active. In this demonstration, we will acknowledge this alert. The alert is acknowledged. Tap this icon to purge the alert from the list. Once purged, you will no longer be able to access the event from the Alerts tab. In this demonstration, we will not purge the alert. Instead, we will view recorded video of the alert. To do this, tap the thumbnail. The video player loads. Tap here to play and pause the recorded video. Tap this icon to switch the camera's live video stream. You are notified of alerts through the app and through your mobile device. In the app, you are notified of new alert triggers through a red banner that appears at the top of the screen. When this red banner appears, you can tap it to go directly to the alert details page or tap here on the banner to dismiss the alert notification. If you ignore the banner, it will auto-hide. If you have the app running in the background or minimized on your device, you're notified of new alert triggers through the Device Notification Center. If your mobile device is idle, the alert notifications are displayed on the lock screen. This module overviewed the Alerts tab. The Alerts tab displays a list of all the active alarms configured in the ACC system. Tap anywhere on an alert in the Alerts tab to see details about it. Once you tap on an alert, you can change the alert status by tapping to assign it or to acknowledge and purge it. Tap the thumbnail of the alert to see recorded video. The app notifies you of alerts in your mobile device through the Notification Center.